whom we are dealing with, He is God who is going to move you from every mud that people have associated with you. Poverty is another kind of dung. And God is saying, He will lift you up out of dung. Where people you said you are stuck, He can't move away. In terms of his marriage, he is stuck here. In terms of his money, finances, he is stuck here. His business is stuck here. Listen to me very well. Jehovah, whom we are serving, will lift you up. Wherever you have stuck, my friend, I need you to stand up and shout hallelujah. And shout hallelujah. Nena mwezi uno ndikunyamuka. Mwezi uno ndikukwera. Mwezi uno andinyamula, andipukuta, andipolisha.